Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have some George's, and it's a local burger place that I have around me, and it's freaking amazing, guys. I can't wait to show you guys what I have. So we got the killer onion rings, and we got a mountain of fries. Look at this, guys. Holy mackerel! Just a pile of mountain of fries. And wait for the main thing. Just wait. This box out of the way. Look at this burger, guys. So this is called their Swiss burger. It comes packed with avocado, a bunch of bacon, lettuce, tomato. And let me tell you guys, this burger is freaking amazing. Look at this stuff. And then their ranch right there, I don't know why, but their ranch, it's one of my favorite ranches. It's like so creamy and so rich in flavor. That's why we got to start it with the ranch. Look at this stuff, guys. Wow. The onion rings, man. You guys see this burger? Let's take a big bite out of the burger with some ranch. That place is amazing. Wow. Hope you guys are doing amazing today. My day started out kind of crazy. So I stayed up late watching Netflix. I'm watching that TV show called Faith, and it's really cool. I probably went to sleep like around 4:30 a.m., right? And then my dad calls me like at 9 a.m. I forgot my keys in the car, and I'm like, really, Dad? I thought I'm gonna make you wait all day. No, I'm just peep. So pretty much I had to drive probably like 20 minutes out. Go help him out. Left him in the trunk. He felt bad because he woke me up. I'm like, nope, it happens. It just happens. This burger is amazing, guys. This is their Swiss burger. Another onion ring. Look how creamy the ranch is. Wow. Did you guys tell I was hungry? That was good, guys. You know it's good when sometimes you have to put the burger back together. More ranch. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. When the food is so good, then you forget what you're going to talk about. It's crazy. That's what I was talking about. My dad, key's locked. So I have his key to his apartment, and I had to go over to his apartment and then pick up his spare key and take it down. This burger is amazing. They pack it with avocado too. What a great way to start a week with a burger. Mm-hmm. They're really crispy and meaty onion rings. Wow. It's windy. I love fries. Right, that's so quick. That's crazy. But guys, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. A lot of more content coming up. I'll see you guys on my next video, guys. Love you guys. Peace.